Hey everyone, it's me Coach Izzy, and in this channel, I share everything freelancing. If this sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you reasons I no longer recommend becoming a virtual assistant. So if this sounds so exciting for you, please hit that like button and let's get started. Back in 2020, I was genuinely eager to help as many Filipinos become VAs. But around last year, I felt like it's something I no longer want to teach, and I'll share with you the reasons, okay? And that is also the reason I changed my YouTube channel from Confessions of a VA to Freelance with Coach Z. While of course, I still believe that many of you or some of you can still thrive in the VA industry, time has evolved, and if you really want to be competitive, you need to make certain changes or shifts. So let's dive in. Virtual assistants used to be the popular choice for those seeking flexible work environment and the freedom of working from home. However, the industry has increasingly become competitive, and the importance of becoming an expert in a certain field has become a necessity. One of the main reasons I no longer recommend becoming a VA is the importance of being an expert on a particular area. Clients are now looking for specialists who can share unique skills and knowledge on the table. Being a generalist VA may no longer be sufficient to stand out in a saturated marketplace. To succeed in this field, you need to focus on becoming an expert in a particular niche. Another significant factor is the highly competitive nature of the virtual assistant industry. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, more and more people are entering this industry offering services at a much affordable and competitive rates. Given this, it now becomes highly challenging to find clients and secure sustainable work opportunities. Another reason is the advancement of automation and artificial intelligence have impacted the demand for virtual assistants. Many of the tasks that were traditionally performed by a human assistant can now be automated or can be delegated to an AI-powered tool. This shift reduces the need for human intervention and affects the overall demand for virtual assistants. Right? If you may notice, you can already automate emails right now. Like you can already set up your Gmail account to, automatically filtering the emails coming to your inbox, that they can actually be archived, immediately, or they can be filtered into certain folders or tags, right? So those were the things that human assistants usually do, but now all of those tasks can be automated. So there is a reduction in terms of the demand for virtual assistants. Another thing is that client expectations also evolved. Nowadays, clients look for specialized skills such as social media management, graphic design, content creation, or marketing expertise. Clients expect more than just the basic administrative tasks. Let's take social media manager for example. SMM alone has created certain level of expectations for the clients, because before, when you say SMM, it's just you scheduling the posts or creating captions or like designing pictures or engaging. But this time you still do all those things, but you do it with a strategy. Like clients would like to have someone who has proven strategies and expertise in making those tasks effective when it comes to bringing in clients or leads. So that's SMM alone. What more for virtual assistants, right? So that's what I meant by, client expectations has evolved as well. So clients usually hire specialists to do the brain work for them instead of doing the leg work for them. Given all those reasons, I think I would like to share with you that this means you need to invest in yourself. It could be investing in a course or a program or investing in a coach, because I feel like that's the only way to get some leverage and to really stand out in the market. It's about really learning a specific skill and like mastering it and being an expert on it so that you become the go-to person for that specific skill or service for a certain niche. So becoming a virtual assistant is something I no longer recommend, because this time we need to step up. We need to elevate, right? We need to do certain shifts. We need to like go from here to here so that clients will notice us, so that we will stand out in this very saturated market. In that note, I'd like to invite you to grab my free downloadable, which is about helping you to become a YouTube strategist. Many of you, or some of you may not know it yet, but I've been a YouTube strategist since 2020, and I'd like to share my knowledge and experience with you, and I'd like you to step up your game. So if you want to learn a premium skill, if you want to shift from being a VA to a YouTube strategist, then I invite you to download my 5 steps to becoming a YouTube strategist. Or in case you're serious about learning a premium skill, then I also would like to invite you to enroll in my course. It's the YouTube Pro Academy, and you can visit youtubeproacademy.com for more details. So I hope you found value from this episode. I hope this has given you a new perspective, a new point of view, and maybe enlightened you on what to do next. And I was just really hoping that this video will give you some kind of direction to find a more profitable niche for you, or a more profitable online business for you. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please drop the word gold in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you on my next video.